have been looking forward to this.
Really? Me too. It's my first time riding this. I'm so excited. Why is yours bigger? Can I switch to that one?
Hold your horses. Like when you play games, you have to start at level 1. Have you tried this before?
No.
Then you start at level 1. I've done this before, so I started at level 2.
So this one's easier?
Yes, super beginner friendly.
But how do you drive this?
And let's ask the coach.
Coach, show us how to use it.
How to ride it? Awesome! Hey, coach. Hello.
Welcome to Lujing Dongyue.
Oh, you're a coach, all right?
Coach Xiao.
Yang, Will. Oh, this open space is stunning.
Yes, here we have ATVs and a camping area. Mountains, sea, and even air all in one.
A perfect itinerary. Now let me tell you, Will here is a total beginner. He hasn't even tried the basic one. Oh, can you show us how to drive this?
Look at this one. This type is more common. It's an ATV. It's like riding a
ATV?
motorcycle. This one's a UXV.
Oh, UXV.
It's like driving an automatic car. It has a steering wheel.
Oh, cool.
Let's get going. This is so fun. How was the practice? Good. So much fun.
Not bad.
I've got the hang of it.
Look, I found a passenger. He's trying to escape.
Okay. We have two routes here, the mountain route and the sea route. Different difficulties. Not the same? How about we play rock, paper, scissors?
Sure. Rock,
Paper, scissors.
I lost.
I'll take the mountain route.
You sure? Yeah, all yours?
All right.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
I am so happy. Like, what's amazing about Taiwan is exactly this. Whether you are in the northern, central, or southern of Taiwan, just a short drive away can take you to pristine, untouched place. You can experience the stunning nature. I think today's driving adventure was really thrilling. Wow, driving, tracing rivers, and seeing the gorgeous sea, sunlight shining down, is just incredibly fun.
Whoa! This is my first time riding an ATV. I thought it'd be like riding a scooter, enjoying the mountain views while on a relaxing ride, but I didn't expect this route to be so rough and bumpy. I was bouncing all over. And to top it off, there was so much mud. When it splashed, I thought it'd go to the side. Nope, right on to me. Still, it was thrilling, a truly unique experience, definitely worth trying. The scenery is stunning. The route we took was through untouched forests, completely undeveloped. On both sides, it's pure nature. You can really feel it here. For those who love thrills and want a challenge, take the mountain route. But remember, don't wear white or you'll end up like me, covered in mud. You've got to give it a try.
Hey, Will.
How'd it go?
How was it?
Had fun?
Oh, let me tell you, it was paradise. The ocean with the sunset glowing over it. Oh, the light shining down the blue ocean. Stunning. Oh my gosh, I felt so relaxed. The breeze was amazing. And the white bird, so beautiful. What about your side?
Me? Mine was super fun and thrilling. You missed out. Such a pity.
Oh, really?
Yes, but we've been at it all day. I'm so tired. Where are we staying tonight?
Good question. Probably at one of these campsites because they have...
You mean this one? I've booked you a luxury camper. Want to check it out? Let's go.
My shoes. Wow, Coach, this is really luxurious. Look at the bed. Wow, it's great. Even with my arms stretched out, there is room to sleep flat. And the bathroom even has a sliding door.
So fancy. It's hotel level comfort.
And over here, like a big double bed, it's more than enough.
Let's eat first.
This campsite is so unique. In Brazil, I've seen a lot of campsites, but the facilities there aren't as equipped. Oh, this place, it's incredible. Perfect for both young people and families. Oh, first off, there's a spa room over there. You can get a massage. If you're tired, it's perfect for relaxing. And the campers' interiors, like they're all so comfortable. There's a pool, barbecue, even karaoke. It's so much fun. Wow, looks like we're here.
This place is huge.
It's really tall too. Wow, what amazing place.
Yeah. Amidst the crashing waves, we arrive at the eastern coast, the mysterious sea cave. A towering cavern reveals layers of green marble formations. It's awe-inspiring. Yeah, nature's masterpiece. Stepping into the cave, it feels like another world. Absolutely incredible.
Hello.
Well,
Hi.
Hey. We walked over from there and saw this huge cave.
yes, a sea cave.
A sea cave.
Yes, it's erosion. The waves eroded the cliffside into this cave. That's why it's called a sea cave.
So you're saying this is naturally formed?
Work of nature.
Not man-made. Wow, really?
If a typhoon is offshore when it's about 1,500 kilometers to 2,000 kilometers away, then waves can reach this cave. In summer, many come here to photograph the
You can
Milky
see the
Way.
Milky Way here?
Yes, in summer, just sit inside the cave and you can see it. If you step outside, the sky is filled with stars. The Milky Way looks stunning. This place is called the Mysterious Beach.
Mysterious beach?
Why is it called that? Because our beach changes. Right now, it's small pebbles all over.
Right.
Next time, there might be large rocks and fine sand over there. It keeps changing. Even the river mouth shifts. It's always moving. Foreign visitors find it fascinating. They think it's special and named it the Mysterious Beach.
Every visit feels different. It keeps changing. That's amazing.
Maybe next week or even 2 days later, it'll look different again.
Standing in the cool sea cave, gazing out at the vast Pacific Ocean, the view is breathtaking. No wonder you can see a sky full of stars. What other secrets does this beach hold, waiting for us to uncover? Hey, what's our friend doing over there? Hey, what are you doing here?
I'm catching a Tautuelu.
Lu.
Yes, it's what we call the sand bubbler crab.
Why is it called that?
Tautuelu means that it looks like it walks backwards.
It walks backwards.
Yes, it does. Why are there so many here? Sand bubbler crabs are common here because the environment here is great. No factories. This region of the eastern coast is mainly pebble beaches. There are stones and fine sand and larger rocks too. The crabs hide in the crevices between the rocks and sand.
Show us how to catch them.
We want to try.
Dig here, yes, in this hole. Yeah, that's
Sieve it.
All right, that's enough. Sieve it back and forth. You see him? The wave's coming. Move up quickly. Big wave. Here it comes. Hurry.
Ooh.
The wave is huge. Got it?
Yep.
Got one.
Hey. Really? Big one.
This one has eggs too.
Nice. It's their breeding season now.
Many are carrying eggs.
Oh, your turn. Got one?
Okay, my turn.
I got one earlier.
Dig. That's right. Got it. Done.
Come check it out.
Anything?
Let's see.
Did you get one?
The wave's coming. Move up.
Why can't I see the sand?
There,
Yeah, I see
there.
it.
I see one.
Yeah, I see it.
Yep. Hey, you got one. Is this a small one?
These seem smaller.
Oh, yeah.
This one is tiny.
There should be more.
We're lucky today. All three of us found some.
One more here.
Yeah, I see it.
One more. Two more here.
Right. It's tiny.
This one's smaller than the first one.
Yes, it's very smaller.
To catch these crabs, we usually wait for low tide. We start when the tide is at its lowest point. That's when there's the most sand, and when the sand is also the softest. Their habit is to move when the tide begins to rise, because during low tide, small fish and other food start to swim up, which is why we
so
catch
it's
them at low
harder during the
tide.
high tide.
We're prepared to catch a lot of them this time, maybe 30 rods. We'll place all 30 at once. Each session can last 3 hours.
3 hours. Oh, impressive!
The wave's coming!
Even though it's hotter during the high tide, I still really want to try it, can I?
Okay.
Okay, let me load the bait here, and then we put in it. Okay,
All
then
right.
wait for like 20 to 30 minutes, and we catch another round.
I'll teach you how to place the bait.
Let's try it out.
Okay.
The mysterious beach retains its raw beauty. It's like an unpolished gem with an ever-changing beachscape. Hidden within are sand bubbler crabs. Catching them is exhausting but fun. Coming here, there are fascinating ecological experiences. Don't miss the sea cave, the cliffs, and nature's masterpieces. The scenery is so stunning, you have to see it for yourself.